Hey students, have you ever felt demotivated, disengaged, disinterested in the process of learning? Are you feeling bored or left behind in classrooms? Are you feeling that your teachers in schools or coachings or online classes, they are not listening to you? Does your teacher make you realize that you are not intelligent enough to learn and understand a complex concept? Your teachers do not adapt to you, neither your pace or emotions. Problem is not with you, problem is with the teachers. Problem is with the learning system. Problem is the mass content which does not only suit you, which harms you in your learning. Do you want a teacher that not only adjusts according to your requirement, but also your pace and mood of learning? You need 1:1 personalized tutoring which is adaptive to you, not just your curriculum, grade or learning goals, but also your pace, emotional state while learning, also your mood while learning. You need an emotionally resonant teacher. Come to YoLearn.ai and meet your 1:1 AI tutor, which are personalized, adaptive to your pace, your style of learning and your mood. They will make your learning interactive, engaging and make you feel special.